Hi everyone. So we are starting the second episode. The camera's here. You don't have to look at me. Look at the thing of cooking and cocktails with Cathy. And Mom's going to make a recipe that, when I say she's going to make the recipe,
I'm not following the recipe.
She doesn't follow recipes, but she liked this recipe a lot and thought it would be good. So she's going to kind of make her own version of it. But we wanted to make sure that you had it, hey Dawn, so that if you wanted to follow on along, you could. Hey Mon. Okay, so talk, Mom.
Well, I just want to wish everybody a happy Palm Sunday. My Katie made this for me last year. And happy Palm Sunday, everybody. And Dawn, wish Mom a happy Palm Sunday for me and give her a kiss for me.
Yes, Dawn, we're already laughing because Mom doesn't know where to look on the camera,
No,
so I have to
really
keep moving it and everything else, and she
Okay.
doesn't care, of course.
Well, we're going to start by reheating the oven to 350. That's a start. Okay.
Judy's watching. Hi, Jude.
Jude, I don't follow the recipe. You could follow and do what you want, but, you know, I do my own thing. I mean, I know what it's basically about, and I'm going to do it. So we preheated the oven to 350.
Have you done any other prep?
No, not yet. I'm going to do everything with you guys. It calls for one zucchini and one squash. But this zucchini does not look well. So I'm going to use the one.
Why'd you buy it?
It wasn't that way when I bought it.
When'd you get it?
This week. But, you know, it turns quickly. But anyway, I'm using one zucchini, and one squash.
The camera's here.
So,
it's here. Look here.
I'm looking. So I don't have to look.
All right, but you look like you're...
Oh my God, today's Palm Sunday. Don't let me curse. I don't know who's out there, but hi, everybody. Anyway.
Wait, tell everybody what your cocktail is.
My cocktail is pineapple juice with rum. I think it's called a Malibu.
I don't know what it's called.
It's called a Malibu, and it's very yummy because I need this to get through this with my daughter.
And when she looks far away like that...
I may need two. Well, the first thing we start with is the chicken. Now we're gonna. It calls.
There's the chicken.
It calls for 4 tablespoonfuls of butter. I don't buy it, not to cover the chicken. I also took the chicken out about a half hour ago to get it room temperature because I believe that meat is a little warm and adheres to whatever you're trying to put on it. So I'm going to.
Hey Suzanne. Hey Tracy. Hey Joe. Hey Jennifer. If I miss anybody, just hello everybody. So doesn't Mom look fancy today?
For Palm Sunday.
So fancy. All right. So you said about the whole chicken, the butter thing that you don't buy it. It called for how many?
4 tablespoons.
So how much did you use?
I got a stick.
All right. So.
So here we go, starting with I don't follow the recipe.
No.
If it's left over, that's great. I'd rather have more because these are big pieces of chicken. And instead of having 4 breasts, I have more than 4 breasts because I had some leftover chicken. I wanted to use it. So, again.
Did you do anything to the chicken?
You got to season it with salt and pepper.
No, but did you do anything else to the chicken?
No, I haven't done.
Yes, you did. You cut some fat off. You trimmed it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't think that was important.
It's important. You tell people what you did.
I cut the fat off and I trimmed it because I don't like to see the fat on chicken or that little white slime.
Your cousin Barbara just joined.
Hi, Barbara. Happy Palm Sunday.
Bart joined.
Oh, my Barty.
Your Barty's on.
My Barty's on.
Molly's on. Fanula's on. Hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Happy Palm Sunday.
Yes.
Danielle is on. Danielle, who started
Danielle.
this mess, is on.
Yes. My favorite troubled niece. I don't want to say my favorite niece because I got my other nieces on there, Linda and Gina, who I just love.
Linda and Gina haven't joined.
Oh, they haven't joined yet. Well, then I can say it. My favorite niece, Danielle. Okay, I'm salting.
All right, so she just poured it right into her hand, and then she's doing it. Remember how on the cooking shows they say to do it higher because you have more direct.
Yes.
You have more.
And my arms are shorter.
Yeah, that's true. Your arms are shorter. All right.
And we're going to do both sides.
Are you said salt and pepper. You putting pepper on?
I'm doing the salt and then the pepper. Am I doing this or you? You want to do
I'm
this?
just trying to help make sure everybody hears what you're saying that you're doing.
Okay, we're going to pepper them.
Are you using anything special? Hey, Kate.
No, regular pepper and regular salt.
Did the recipe call for anything different, or is this your
No,
hack?
this is what the recipe called for. Salt and pepper both sides. And that's what I'm doing.
All right.
I melted the butter.
A whole stick,
now-
that's
Right.
basically
I
double what the recipe asked for.
Right, because it wasn't enough, and if you could look, I don't know if you could see the bowl. I don't even know if that's going to be enough
Here.
for all the for 4 pieces of chicken breast. So
Well, what do you have to do with the
Or
butter?
You just melt it.
No,
Or
I
you're
mean,
gonna
what do
dip
you-
the chicken in there.
Yeah, that should be enough. It's not
Well,
like keeping it in there.
Let's see.
That just seems like a lot of salt. Hey, Sarah. That's a lot of
That's
pepper.
certainly a lot of
That's a lot of pepper.
Oh my gosh.
So that's what we do when we make mistakes. Just rub it on the other chicken breasts.
No. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a real malafaguda.
What's a malafaguda?
A big ass mistake.
Oh, is that what that literally translates to? Malafaguda? Dawn, ask your mother, ask Camilla,
Ask Camilla
if
what
malafaguda means big ass mistake. Sorry about that little mistake that I just made. That's a lot of pepper.
Oh, please, give me a break.
She said, Dawn said it's a big to do. Malafaguda.
malafaguda.
I like black pepper. I'm fine with that.
Well,
It'll be fine.
sorry, guys.
So
Okay.
don't add that much
Okay.
pepper, but if you do, either rinse it off, rub it on the other chicken, whatever. But
Okay, this is another.
I just need to point out malafaguda, first time I've heard that word.
All right.
It is. That is
Okay.
the first time I've heard that word come out of your face.
Wow. Okay. Normally,
You usually say worse words.
I make my own breadcrumb, like when I'm making my meatballs and my chicken cutlets and all. I buy the plain breadcrumb and then I season it. But this time I cheated and I bought the seasoned breadcrumb. But I am going to add more Parmesan cheese to it and garlic powder.
So what breadcrumb did you use?
I bought the Progresso seasoned
Okay.
Italian.
Okay. Because not everybody's going to make their own breadcrumbs. So if,
No.
you could...
So you just add Parmesan cheese to it and garlic powder.
Yes, Dawn, that is the first time I've heard her say that word. And heard anybody say that word. I've never heard malafaguda
She's got
before.
to ask Mom.
She did. She said it means a big
Oh.
to-do.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Now, I'm going to dip the breasts in the butter. They just called for dipping the breasts in the butter. And then the breadcrumb.
So instead of doing like an egg wash, you're doing
which,
just
see,
straight
I
butter.
would do an egg wash, but it doesn't call for it. So I'm going to follow the recipe in that case.
Do you? Dawn said she feels like you guys always said it. I don't know. I remember
I
the
did.
bafangul kind of stuff, but
No.
I don't remember
A
malafaguda.
malafaguda. We always say, oh, they made a malafaguda.
And that pan that she's dropping it into, that's my
It's a
grandma
corny
Jenny's
way- yes,
pan.
it's a